Hello, this is HAMS. Today I will show you how to use My Taxi application with expense control. Okay, so My Taxi application is an application for taxi drivers who need to have a history of the trips and earnings and stuff like that. So the first time you open the application, you will see a screen like this. If you want to change to English system, just click on this checkbox. The first thing you need to do is give an alias. This is used to sync with the expense control application. As a default is My Taxi, but you can change for any you want. So next, how much is the cost per kilometer? For example, here more or less is like 5 pesos. Gasoline liter costs around 12.30, and my car gives like 10 kilometers per liter. Okay, so all this information is to make calculations. So just click OK, and over here you can filter by day, by month, by year, and by or all the data. In the future you will have the week option. So to add a new trip, just click the button new trip. You can put the number of passengers. This is the kilometer price that you put. You can change, doesn't matter, if you give you a reference. As you can see, it changed the total. So I'm gonna put as a default, and what's the distance of the trip? Let's suppose I'm going to my job, it's around 10 kilometers. So more or less cost me 50 pesos each time I go. You don't need to fill all these, the from, to, and comments fields, but it's just for your information. So I'm just going to put point A to point B, comments, rate trip. Alright, just click add. And now if you go to the menu tab, you can see the new trip, and over here you can switch to between date, month, year, all, and if you unfilter day, you can change. Here you can see how the day is moving, and if you are a month, it's going to jump between months, and the same for the years, it's going to jump between years, right? And over here you can see what is your total earnings of the day, number of trips, total driving kilometers, and more or less how much you spend in gasoline according to the values that you give at the beginning. And over here you have this trip was made on this day with this kilometer price for this distance. A total trip was this. The total of gasoline you spend is this. Number of passengers from, to, the comments. And if you go to your cell phone menu, in this case this icon here, you can change the settings if you want to. In this case it's only changed to the English system. So now everything is in miles and gallons. So if you go to prices, you can change here to use the English system. And if you want to change the kilometer price, you can go here. Let's say I want to share 8 pesos or dollars per kilometer. Just click OK. Now if you go to your taxi tab, just click new trip, and now you will see the new mile price. Well, in this case it's mile because I need to change my settings back to kilometers. So now you can see 8 pesos per kilometer, and it's a distance, let's say 16 kilometers. So a trip, and if you go here you will see the new trip. So all the trips is by history. The first one here is the last one you put, and if you need to modify, just click on it, and maybe you say, oh, it wasn't 16, was 20, so it made the new calculations. But anyway, you can change this. So maybe you share for this total of this trip maybe was 200. Maybe you want to add from point G to point Z. Just click update, and now you will have this trip updated here. Okay, so this is how to use my taxi application. So next I will show you, in case you have installed the expense control application, just open it and you will see this income, my taxi added. And if you go to your incomes, you will see the 2 trips that we had on the My Taxi application. In this case was one trip for 50 pesos and the other one was for 200. So I hope you understand how this works. Any recommendation or error, you can send me an email. It's on the description of the video, or just click on the send recommendation. And if you want to rate the application, just click on it. Thank you for watching, and thanks for using my apps.